Hi guys, we're going to go ahead and make the first ad for our 4 ads in a day. We already looked at photos. We wanted a nice photo of a workstation in high res. I got this one off Flickr, and it fit very nicely. It looks great. A friend pointed out a little too late that it does have a stack of videotapes on there, which is a little dated, but other than that, we're going to go ahead and use it. First things first is we're going to drop our business logo in the top left-hand corner, and this is what we came up for as a headline for the ad. It is a company that does SEO, search engine optimization, and custom websites. So the first question they want to ask people is, does your website work for you? And that's a kind of open-ended question. Like, does your website generate leads? Does it bring people in? If it's just there for information, it's not doing enough. That's the kind of message they're trying to get across. What we're going to do is drop in a question mark in the screen, just kind of back up this this statement. How I made this headline stand out is I added a white outline. It's gray, and I added a white outline around it and a very subtle drop shadow, just to make it pop a little bit. Their colors are orange and gray and white, so this logo is going to look very nice. And then they have some bullet points they want to also have on there. Just some very important stuff they do: SEO, website optimization, hosting, copywriting, branding, graphic design. And we are going to get this all lined up and all spaced out nice. I'm going to drop this right in the middle, and then I am going to add their contact information at the very bottom. Just get the phone number, website, email, and the hours of operation, their address. Address is kind of you don't necessarily need it on there. They want it on there because their place isn't exactly easy to find, so they want it on as many things as possible. And to make this stand out just a little bit more, I'm gonna make this a dark gray. There we go. That is not there. Let's try that. Grab that and send it both to the back, and there we go. It's gonna be the first one in our series of 4. And I know that came together really fast. We already had the picture and a lot of this info already set to go. I didn't think you guys wanted to hear me or listen to me type all this stuff out, but this is the basic, very basic breakdown of an ad. Headline, grab your attention. What do they do? How do you reach them? You can follow this up with a call to action, a call now for a special offer or something like that. But for this, we're just going to keep this nice and clean and simple. It's going to be a good looking ad. It's going to look great in a magazine. Let's save it as a PDF, just so you can see what it's going to look like, all cropped nice. Yes. I always do press quality. You don't need to preserve that. You already got the AI file. There you go. Does your website work for you? No. So call this company right here. Alright guys, thank you so much, and you guys have a great day. Please check out the other ones in the series. We're going to do 4 in a day, and this is number 1. Thanks.